Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook animals in RimWorld. First, you'll need to understand the basic steps for processing animal carcasses into usable meat. We'll cover the essential facilities and the type of pawn you'll need to get started. Learning to cook effectively is crucial for your colony's survival and happiness, providing numerous benefits over consuming raw food. This process ensures your colonists stay fed and healthy, avoiding negative mood effects. To begin cooking, you'll need a dedicated kitchen area. Start by building a butcher table, where your pawns will process animal corpses into raw meat and valuable leather. Next, construct a cooking stove, which is essential for transforming that raw meat into delicious meals. Make sure you assign a skilled cook, ideally with a cooking skill of at least 6, to handle these tasks efficiently. Don't forget to gather other ingredients like vegetables for varied meals. Once your kitchen is set up, the process is straightforward. At the butcher table, create a bill to butcher animal corpses, ensuring a steady supply of raw meat. Then, at the cooking stove, set up bills for the types of meals you want to produce. Simple meals are quick and efficient, while fine or lavish meals offer significant mood buffs. Remember to store all your finished meals in a freezer to prevent spoilage and keep them fresh for your colonists. Beyond basic meals, consider advanced options like nutrient paste for extreme efficiency, though it comes with a slight mood debuff. Cooked meals are vital. They prevent food poisoning, which can severely impact your colony and provide much better nutrition than raw food. Higher quality meals, like lavish ones, offer substantial mood boosts, keeping your colonists happy and productive. Efficient cooking reduces food waste, ensuring your resources are used wisely and your colony thrives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.